It's a bit of a different take on conferences with level 300, level 400 pro dev content, which is not something that you see a lot at conferences. So it's a bit of a different insight or a different way of doing things, and I think the attendees appreciate that.
It's been a brilliant conference. I was saying to Tomas earlier, one of the things that brought me here is really the fact that it's a pure developer focus. So that completely technical pro dev kind of environment, bringing everyone together who are specialists in those areas, I think is a really great achievement. So I really enjoyed that.
We had a great session. I did a session together with Yannick Reekmans. We talked about model-driven apps and how to extend them. It was an intro session, but I think it was a pretty good, welcoming session for everyone to get started and throughout the day.
I really enjoyed just having the number of people that attended my session today. And the audience was super engaged, which is always a very positive thing. I had lots of fun presenting my session. And yeah, I got a lot of good feedback after the session where people told me that it was quite engaging and the energy that I gave matched what they were expecting. So yeah, absolutely, I had lots of fun today.
Also my slide.
One edition down, but an even greater one ahead. See you next year.